got that. There he is. There he is. See now, mate?
Oh, that's yeah.
There he is, live.
Oh wow. That's a superb shot, that. Is that taking video or stills?
That's video and stills.
Wow.
Like what I do at home, play it back on laptop
Yeah.
and take snapshots
Yeah.
of the video.
Freeze frame.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't do them.
The video in itself is stunning, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's for HD. Well, I've got cameras that do 4K. That's even more quality, you know, the plumage.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
But like, that's good enough, really. Like,
That's superb, that. Yeah.
you know, when I watched it back on the laptop, I'm like that.
Yeah.
Filmed, you know, I was surprised myself. I was surprised.
Like, yeah. Yeah. Superb.
You know,
Beautiful.
coming towards 1 minute video.
Yeah.
Altogether, I've been here about what? Under 3 hours I've been here now, and I come myself in here about an hour of video clips.
Beautiful.
So I'll put them all together and
Yeah.
you know, pick the best shots.
Superb, man.
It's nice though, like.
Yeah.
If
Got
there's
me-
two
got
of
me
them, have
for
they got
you.
a nest round here, do you reckon?
Someone said like they seen 2 under the bridge.
Yeah.
But
Like beyond the bridge, no one ever goes, do they? So
I know,
that
yeah.
might be the favourite spot. That.
Do you reckon they'll be nesting there?
well, the nest normally on sandbanks
Yeah.
and mud banks.
look at that.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's hard that was. Again, off guard, caught me.
Yeah, no, we're always talking when it goes.
I've seen him before.